Hi, welcome to Making Memories by Jackie. So happy to have you join me again with part two of Making Valentine's DIY project and gifts for your special loved ones this Valentine's Day. Hurry, you can find these items at the Dollar Tree. You can make these two beautiful gifts less than $5. So join me now as I show you. Don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe, click that button, invite a friend, leave a comment. Enjoy having you with me. I thank each of you who join me regularly, and I'm looking forward to many exciting artistic creations. Making Memories Jackie. Follow along. For this project, the only thing you will need is to pick up this item. Yes, it's made of wood but it is from the Dollar Tree. It has the words on here, keys. And it makes a beautiful gift where you can put your car keys, house key for anyone in the family. So what I did is I turned it on the back just to see what color I wanted to paint this, to turn it into a special artistic creations. Please feel free to color it or to paint it any color you want. I used acrylic paint that I purchased only for $1. You can also get these paint colors from Walmart, but this would only cost you $2 for these items. And so what I did is I wanted to make a rustic vibe, rustic look. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So the two colors that I'm going to be using is gold and white. So what I did, just, if you notice, I'm not painting, I'm just dabbing this color on. I enjoy working with crafts. I know it's easy to go out and buy a gift, but I think a lot of times people enjoy when you take the time to make something special. So I thought this would really be a nice gift, because so often we misplace our keys, car keys, house keys. So to have a special place in the house where you know you can go for your keys would really be beautiful. If you prefer just to paint this, that would be fine. You don't have to use this color. I like this color. I hope that you're preparing for Valentine's Day for your loved one. So just $1. And if you didn't even want to paint this, just put it tissue, Valentine tissue, and put it in a gift bag. Wouldn't cost you nothing but $3. Everybody wants to feel special, especially on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a time of love. Matter of fact, I'm enjoying this. Sometimes we're so busy, but just to take time and do a little painting, making memories along your life journey. Sometimes we're so busy, too busy. But when you're working on a craft project, gives you an opportunity just to relax, unwind. Okay, now that I have that covered with the yellow, going to go over it with the white. Might not look like much right now, but by the time we complete this, and you can see it's not taking a lot of time. I hope you have a nice Valentine's weekend. And sometimes maybe you're alone. You can do this for yourself. Show yourself some love. Valentine's Day. Pick this up for just $1 at the Dollar Tree. The paint is only $1. Sometimes we wonder about what to give our teenagers. If you have a daughter that's a teenager, something like this she would really like, especially knowing that you took the time. Not only a teenager, preteen. And of course, this needs to dry, but I'll give you opportunity to see what type of vibe I've created with this. So far, I think it's taken me about 8 minutes. Okay, now I have that completely covered. Then I'm going to take an old sock. Doesn't matter, any type of old sock will do. And I'm just going to take, remember I told you I'm looking for a rustic vibe. So I'm going to take it. And I'm just wiping off some of the paint. I'm leaving some of it on. But I want to give it that rustic, old, yellow looking vibe. Maybe yellow or gold is not your color. That's okay. Whatever is your color, use it. Then when I get to the bottom, I'm just going to go across it. And then I finish, I'm going to turn it inside out. Just kind of dampen to make sure the lines are going in the same way. Particularly down at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to turn it around so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I'll sit it on top. And for a special person for Valentine's. Isn't that beautiful? Probably would look better if I had something white so you can get a better look at it. But that's it. The words keys. And it can be hung up. The next one that I'm going to show you doesn't take that long at all. Remember before I showed you a Valentine card? Well, this is another Valentine card that I picked up for 50 cents at the Dollar Tree. This adorable hamster loves you. Inside reads, because, come on, who doesn't? Happy Valentine's Day. So this is a beautiful card. If you notice the other one I had, it was a hamster as well. So for this DIY, the only thing you will need is the card and a picture frame. Also have another picture here, just in case you can't find a card. I got this picture from the Dollar Tree, and it was on a bag, gift bag, and I just took and I cut the size 5 by 7. So I'm gonna let you see what I did. You can pick up any type of picture frame. I have here a picture frame that I've been wanting to use, and so this would make a beautiful opportunity. But you could pick up a picture frame if you have one already at the house, or the Dollar Tree has picture frames. So just take, I'm going to put the card inside, and I'll show you how it looks, and then I'll show you how it looks with the other picture. Now, isn't that simply gorgeous? A beautiful Valentine gift anyone would love. Wow. Just for 50 cents for the card. And if you have a frame that you've not used, this gives you an opportunity. Let me take this picture out and show you from the gift bag that I had how I cut the dog. I think this is so adorable. I hope you really enjoyed these Valentine DIY. I want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe, invite a friend, click that button. Have a happy, happy Valentine's Day.